Autopilot is an automatic frequency coordination tool built directly into SoundBase. You can see it here in the coordination list because I currently have no frequencies added at all. I can also access it from here within the assistant window. So if I wanted to open up Autopilot, I can just click here and Autopilot loads. From here, I can do my full frequency coordination within just a few clicks. Autopilot will automatically verify my devices, pull in scan data, analyze it, and then deploy it to my frequency coordination. And then at the very end, it will also generate a report. This is great for users that are inexperienced, don't necessarily have the time on show site to handle RF coordination. Think of it very much like the Sennheiser Smart Assist application, where it's only a few clicks and the application does all the magic for you. That's a little bit about Autopilot, so let's demo it. So first we're going to come over here and we're going to add our devices. So I'll do EWDX and I will add 6 of them. And then let's come over and add in some EM6000s. And we can add in 12 of these. So now that I've added these frequencies, I can come over here and go to the next step, which will then verify my scan data. Now I can either upload a scan file that I've already recorded with a piece of test equipment or that I have on hand already, or I can just search SoundBase's database. So clicking search database, SoundBase, you can see, is now looking through the database and it found this scan file, and it will recommend these TV channel changes. But let's just say, even though this is a decent scan file, I'm not happy with it, I can always press the choose another, and it's going to just keep going through and finding the next scan file that it recommends. So let's say I like this file, and it's finding all these inactive channels, and I can hit next. And now just like that, it's doing my frequency calculation, removing any inactive channels, and now it just told me that it's done. And from there, I can either create a real-time report or I can create a PDF report. So that's just a quick way to get your shows up and running using Autopilot.